Hi Srikant, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, hi, good morning, and I'm doing fine.
Great, thank you. So, could you please let us know for which all courses you have enrolled with I-Medita and how was your overall experience during the training?
Actually, I started with CCNP. Even I do the completed the CCNA also, CCNA, CCNP, and after that, I have already completed the CCI training also from my Medita, and all the courses I have done with Pune branch only and online mode. So, and during this COVID lockdown period only, actually, I have completed this all courses and I have a wonderful experience. I don't have any regrets or, complaining or anything bad impressions or anything or bad experience with Medita. So, because from the very beginning, I'm telling you, so I am attached with iMedita like more than 10 years because Saurabh sir was my first teacher, my first faculty. Saurabh sir right now in Delhi, I think. So Saurabh sir, then Sogan sir, technical, non-technical, both, I have attached more than 10 years. And then I have done the courses from your Pune branch. So overall experience is very nice and awesome. And I must, recommend iMedita to my colleagues and all the other friends or whoever asking for or searching for this kind of courses. So it is good actually.
So, could you please help us understand about your background and your experience into the IT industry?
Yeah, actually I started working in system administration. So I have a lot of experience in system administration, it's 10 plus years. So during that time I was surrounded in this West Bengal territory only. Sometimes I move out to other states for a couple of days, but most of the my concentration is on the West Bengal and Calcutta surrounding areas only. So after that, I switched to network domain, and during that time I went to Gurgaon. So there I done some courses, and after that I got placed this some ISP project, and since then I'm in that particular project, and I joined there as a network engineer, level 1. Right now I am the team lead of that project, and I'm having 5 subordinates under me, and I have taken so many interviews, and I have get a lot of opportunity of learning on new things, new technologies from iMedita also, whether I have joined the course or not. So if I have any technical queries or something like that, I directly contact your faculties like Saurabh sir and all. So they are wonderful, help I have given each and every time. So it's a very nice thing, and still I am learning. Uh, Maybe in future I move out to the automation. So I'm not yet planned actually, but I am thinking. So gradually I am doing this thing also because my project is currently doing SD-WAN. So automation is focus. So I'm started actually actual configuration and this thing. So that is why my all background is.
You have completed your CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure training. So, are you also planning to attempt the examination in next coming years?
Yes, yes. Maybe I plan for this year only. So
Great.
it's a long pending case. I'm telling you, it's a long pending case. I think most 5 to 6 years.
Okay.
So means, you know, I, again I again, taken 2 step back. I don't know, but maybe it's two factors are there actually. Frankly speaking, one is the financial part. That is very sure, and it is very obvious for anyone who are preparing for the CCI lab or going for the exam actually. That is the one part. And second part is the actual learning and the experience, hands-on experience.
Right.
Because when you go through the training, you have the idea about the syllabus. Okay.
Right.
And no one in this world can feed you like A to Z about the CCI, whatever. With due respect to all faculties and senior faculties, they are just the mentors. They can push, but ultimate you have to take the path.
Right.
For training and education. So in that particular, I am not ready with the. But let's see what can I happen in this year.
So during these courses, you were working with the organization. So how did you manage your time for self-study, for live classes?
Thing is that the classes are conducted, in the morning session. So that is a big plus point for me because my office hours starts from 10 a.m. And if it is, weekend, and I have lots of weekend courses on like Saturday, Sunday. So there will be no problem. There will be no clash in the official timing and my training part. Yes, you can say sometimes I forget the revisions or forget to do the practicals for that particular day due to some official engagements or prior engagement during that particular day. It was there it's a mix and match kind of experience, but although it's okay.
Great. You also hired some engineers from I-Medita in past. So how was your experience with them?
Yeah, it's a very good experience, except one incident I must say. It's well known to Srikanta sir also. So it's not a bad thing. You cannot have the people according to your mindset or the company or the profile mindset, right? So everybody is different and everybody is unique in that sense. But yes, more or less, I can say 99.99% I am satisfied with the people whom I hired from your I-Medita. That I can say.
And overall, how would you rate I-Medita's training and services on a scale of 10?
Yeah, in scale of 10, see, if you are taking the feedback about the faculty members, so I can rate you 10 out of 10. But again, I am saying this, I told earlier, faculty is not those who are taking the courses from I-Medita and they are, going out from your institute, they are carrying your goodwill, right? So wherever they are going in any organization, they are representing the I-Medita, right? So I train from I-Medita. So whenever the interviewer asks this kind of question, so from where you have completed CCNA training, so it has to come in front picture, like I have completed this training from I-Medita. Now thing is that how he or she is carrying out, that makes a difference.
Right.
So for the faculty, there is no differentiation between this student, that student. Faculty, whatever they are taught in class, it is equal for everyone, right? The same way he delivered the course, but individual person, how they are taking or building up their concepts out of the same delivery or the same course at the same organization, that makes a difference. Right. So overall, I think I gave you 10 out of 10 regarding the course and faculties. That is for sure.
And could you please provide any suggestion on how we can improve our services, training, anything in the future?
Yes, I can. Actually, I am right now planning for a trip to I-Medita Pune. So, which I am going to, ask Srikanta sir also. So if you have, any 2, 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours, whatever may be the hours, I don't count on the hours. So if you arrange one sessions with the, current students, whoever is current, then if they, it is not about you and me, it is about them. If they really want to have some, real life sort of experience through that experiences, the way of interview schedule, the way how up our resume, because I have taken lots of interview from I-Medita as well as other institute also from all India, pan-India basis. I have found there are, basic problems in the resume.
Right.
So I am not saying I know everything, but there are certain, formats. So they maybe, find out some good format from his friend or call or any friend's brother or something like that. But there is problem. So
Right.
you has to have a good resume. That is one thing, and kind of preparation. Like network engineer, what kind of preparation they must have? Not in, I didn't ask any, technical questions so deeply. I asked always the basic questions, because if you have the basics very much clarity on your mind, then
Right.
I can train you, or I can, guide you for any advanced kind of thing in a real life.
Agree.
So that is my proposal to you and Sovan sir also. If you can arrange, I'll go there and I can spend my time with your, student members, and I can really train them in certain things which are very helpful to build up their, career in networking.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your feedback, and we will definitely work on the last suggestion.
Yeah, please. I am always available, but you gave me at least 10-15 days prior, information or notification. I go there, I'll simply, sit with your students. I give them, some real life and valuable information regarding this interview process, the what is these kind of things.
Right. This will be an amazing learning for
I think.
freshers and candidates, those who are looking
Yes.
for job opportunities.
And even for your information, I have already taken first round some of the candidates, right? And I
Right.
have forwarded. Just now I spoke to my manager actually before starting the meeting, and she told me by today again we connected.
Right.
So I have already gave you the feedback, the names, right,
Right.
about the students which are selected. So let's see, go for the best, and I'm looking forward to this proposal. So please make a session. If you want me to be there, I'll be there.
So
And
this will be done 100%. This is very useful for candidates. They will get to learn.
because I remember my days actually. So when I was joined in an institute in the north, so I'm sitting in the back bench actually, in afraid of what is going to be happen. What kind of question I'll ask. It's a fear actually,
Right.
not for the placement. Entire course, maybe the first course I have completed, and I have not asked a single question. I was always thinking if I ask something, and maybe other people will laugh at me. So
Right.
these kind of fear and what needs to be done in practical way. So I need to share those experience with your students, members, and all.
Right.
I think it will be a very good session.
It will be definitely a helpful session for them.
Yes.
They will get to learn something new from an industry perspective, from your experience. And we would definitely schedule this session. We will definitely let you know in advance, and we'll be happy to host you for this session.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Srikant. Thank you for your time.
Yes.
We wish you all the very best. Thank you for giving us your time.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.